Hey, welcome to another episode. I'm Cliff, and you probably saw in my last episode that I got into an accident. Pulled out some of the metal from the tires so I can get this car to roll again without scraping on any of the fenders. I went ahead and reported it to my insurance, filed a police report and all that. I don't know who hit me, it was a hit and run. So my insurance company will cover an uninsured motorist. So if someone hit me and they had no insurance, they would cover me. But that's if they know who it was and they have the license plate number. But since it was a hit and run, there's no information about the other driver. They're not going to cover nothing. They're not going to fix any of my damage. So I'm kind of stuck with fixing it myself. This is my daily driver gas saver. Saves me a lot of gas. I'll spend like 40 bucks every 2 weeks, and I don't want to invest any more money into this car. If I'm going to invest anything into something, I'm going to replace my F-150. I want to sell that and get something newer, something a little more reliable. That one's got like 300,000 miles on it. It's got to go. But this one, it's still got some life left to it. It's actually saving me money by driving this car compared to anything else. So what I got to do is take off the bumper, the headlight, maybe some of the interior, peel that back so I can get to where it's actually dented in at. I got to pull some of it out. It's actually protruding into the door, so the door doesn't want to shut all the way. And the hatch, where the tail light is, it's pressed in, so the hatch doesn't really want to shut correctly. So I'm going to do what I can to fix it up and make everything work correctly. It's not my typical kind of video. I usually do fabrication, but I also have my normal life. Right now I'm actually waiting for my boss to pick me up. We're going up to Monterey, so I got some time to kill. I'm going to go ahead and put that time into fixing my car. So let's get to it. go over there, go to. Yeah. Look at that, roll the wall.